Hey everyone. Today, we're diving into why some people can't lose weight on keto, or why it works at first but then stalls.
We'll cover all the common pitfalls, but we'll explain the big picture so you can troubleshoot and get the full benefits. Keto means keeping carbs under 50 grams per day, not per meal, to burn fat, manage conditions like diabetes, boost energy, or just stay healthy. Let's break it down step by step. Reason 1. Dirty keto. Dirty keto is low carb but ignores ingredient quality. For example, grabbing fast food burgers without the bun, low carb, but poor quality meat and no focus on nutrients. Products like Atkins shakes or bars, they tout low net carbs, high protein, low sugar. But check the ingredients. Long lists of processed stuff like polydextrose, synthetic sugars, and isolates. They might cause bloating and aren't truly healthy. Other examples: ideal protein diets, low carb, low fat, soy-based, lead to dry hair, aged skin, no vibrancy. Clean up your keto. Focus on whole foods like grass-fed meats, veggies, and healthy fats for sustainable results. Reason 2. Lack of sleep. Poor sleep sabotages keto. 4 nights of bad sleep can make your blood sugar levels mimic prediabetes. It spikes cortisol, blocking fat burning. Most fat loss happens during sleep via growth hormone. If you're keto but sleep-deprived, weight stalls despite diet. Aim for 7 to 9 hours. Create a routine, dim lights, no screens, to let keto work overnight. Reason 3. High stress. Stress equals high cortisol, which counters keto. It prompts the liver to make sugar from proteins and fats, raising blood sugar internally. This adds belly fat, love handles, and visceral fat, even on low carb. Story time. A stressed patient did everything right on keto but stalled. The suggestion was a relaxing vacation. She ate more but lost tons of weight due to lower stress. Manage stress, meditation, walks, or hobbies to unlock keto's potential. Reason 4. Overtraining. Desperate for results? Working out 6 hours daily won't help. It stalls keto. Benefits come from recovery, not endless exercise. Overtraining raises cortisol, mimicking stress effects. Example: a woman lifted millions of pounds over a year but lost only 1 to 2 pounds. She overtrained and underslept. Balance. Train 3 to 5 days per week. Focus on strength. Allow rest days for fat burning. Reason 5. Liver, gallbladder, or bile issues. Your liver makes bile to break down fats. Gallbladder stores it. Fatty liver or gallbladder problems block fat absorption, causing bloating and stalled weight loss. This ties to thyroid. Liver converts T4 to active T3. Issues here mean sluggish metabolism. Symptoms: right shoulder pain, discomfort after fatty meals. Fix: support liver with cruciferous veggies, while salts if needed. Consult a doc for gallbladder checks. Reason 6. Too much dietary fat without intermittent fasting. Keto isn't unlimited fat. 3 fatty meals daily. You're burning dietary fat, not body fat. Pair keto with intermittent fasting. Skip snacks, maybe breakfast. Eat when hungry. This lowers insulin, taps body fat. Start high fat to adapt, then reduce as hunger drops. No MCT bombs or butter-heavy desserts. Reason 7. Gut microbiome problems. Antibiotics or poor diet kill good gut bacteria, leading to weight gain. Gut microbes aid metabolism. Imbalances stall keto. In farming, antibiotics fatten animals. Same principle. Rebuild. Probiotics. Fermented foods like sauerkraut. Trial. Reuteri yogurt for weight loss support. Reason 8. Low vitamin D or sun exposure. Winter weight stalls. Often low vitamin D, worsening insulin resistance. Sun boosts vitamin D, melatonin, and serotonin. Low D speeds diabetes progression. Get sun daily. Supplement 5,000 to 10,000 IU if tested low. Reason 9. Muscle atrophy. Lost muscle? It burns fat and sugar. Atrophy means slower metabolism, stalled keto. Focus on strength gains, not scale. Feeling stronger, less hunger equals progress. Rebuild muscle, resistance training, protein-rich meals. Give it months. Initial stall might be muscle rebuild. Reason 10. Misunderstanding normal progress. First week, 1 to 11 pounds water weight from carb loss. Then, 1 to 2 pounds per week ideally, but varies. No loss. could be muscle gain offsetting fat loss. Track non-scale wins. No hunger between meals, more energy, better mood. Frequent eating/snacking spikes insulin, extend fasts. Avoid cheat days. Takes days to enter ketosis, minutes to exit. Wrap up keto fails often from these overlooked factors, not the diet itself. Do healthy keto, whole foods, sleep, low stress, balanced exercise, gut/liver support. Pair with intermittent fasting for best results. Ignore myths like keto's dangerous. Bad studies confuse keto-like with real keto. For details on healthy keto with fasting, check the linked video. Questions? Comment below. Let's troubleshoot your stall.